Hi, goddesses. Welcome back for another video. It has been a super long time since I've gotten on and did a voiceover or talk to you guys. I've been doing a lot of shorts. Don't judge me. Life is busy. We're having a very busy summer. I'm showing you guys how I completely cleaned out my messy fridge. Don't judge me. Life happens. And I'm going to do a full restock. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. And put in the comments down below how you do your reorganize and clean for the summer, how you do your spring cleaning, summer cleaning. Any tips that you have are gladly appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss my latest uploads. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.